guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. Yeah. And today we are going to talk about loads of stuff. I just can't believe it, guys. Finally, the day is here. The day we have been waiting for. As a whole fandom, we were looking forward to this date. Yeah. 30th March. Today is Fire's fan meet as you guys know it, and it is highly anticipated one. I mean, I'm saying it is because there are a few hours still left. Yeah, now let's talk about it, guys. I actually uploaded a video on my other channel, Ship Heaven, but a lots of you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, so that's why I'm saying the same thing almost here again. So you guys know that first fan meet is today, so for that we are doing a trending party on Twitter. Yeah, yeah. I mean, how can we not, right? I mean, it already has started, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And let me show you guys the keyword and the hashtag. Those who doesn't still don't know this, right? So yeah, here you go. Let me show you guys this. Allow me, have a look. Right. Yeah. Wow. Hmm. So that's every details. I mean, there is nothing much, but yeah. So now you guys got the update of the hashtag and keyword. Yeah, I mean, it has already started, as I said, so make sure to join our fandom. Make sure to support Faye, guys. Make sure to support her. Remember, today is the day that we were waiting for. Today is the day, finally. And not to mention, Faye has been preparing a lot, right? She has been preparing, she has been working hard for this day. You guys know it. She's been singing. Yeah, she's been, you know, doing dance practices, and of course Infa as well, and her team actually. Yeah, they are doing hard work to make this day much better for fans, so that our fandom, so that fans could actually enjoy the, everything, the atmosphere, everything actually. Yeah, so hopefully we are gonna do that. And please, those, I know many of us actually are on the Twitter, those who are actually joining the trending party. Good job, guys, good job. Anyway, those who are still don't know this about the trending party, or those who are in Twitter or on Twitter but doesn't know how to do it as I showed you guys, please come and join us at the trending party. Yeah, remember, we must do it for free, right? A lot of comments actually always say that Faye is such talented woman. I do agree with it, most of it, but I have a twist on that, in my opinion. I know she is super duper talented. She is talented in every aspect. No matter how you see it, right? She is multi-talented, guys. She is all-rounder, right? But another thing I wanna mention and appreciate about Faye is that she is super duper hardworking woman. Yeah, I really appreciate this quality of her, right? No matter how talented she is, she always makes sure to work much harder than before. I really appreciate, and I really have much respect for her because of it. Anyway, guys, oh, as I was saying, guess what? We got few updates. Yeah, few pictures of Faye and few new pictures of the venue as well. Yeah, I mean, they are decorating and, planning everything, preparing everything. Yeah, I got it for you. Let me show you guys those pictures right here. Have a look. Wow. Right. Okay. Wow. Right. Okay. Wow. It seems gigantic, guys. It seems so majestic already. Wow. I just can't wait anymore. I just cannot wait. That's it. I'm so impatient, but still I'm waiting so eagerly for this. Just few more hours. Just few more hours. Yeah, I'm trying to, soothe myself. That's it. I'm trying to be so understanding, but I'm failing every time because it is too much suspense, too much anticipation, and everything, guys. Yeah, I know you guys are feeling the same too, aren't you guys? Anyway, so as I was saying, now let's come back to the topic. We know that today is really a big day for Faye. Today is really a significant one for Faye because she just got out from Nine Star and she is showing them everything, how it is done. She is showing Nine Star that how is everything done. Yeah, our girl here is slaying. And of course, as I said, today is really important day for Faye. So please come join on the Twitter at the trending party and yeah, make sure to support Faye, right, guys? I want to mention another thing here, right? A lot of people are sad because they couldn't purchase the physical ticket or the live streaming ticket because they cannot afford it or they were facing some sort of issue. They were our whole fandom. I wouldn't say whole fandom. Lots of fans are actually feeling sad over the fact that they couldn't, support Faye. They cannot support Faye, guys. You guys are super sweet, but remember one thing, that your love, your support matters the most to Faye. Yeah, remember it. Yeah, so come and share for Faye on the Twitter. I am sure it would mean a lot to Faye, and don't need to get disheartened, right? We are here for each other, right? Anyway, so yeah, let's enjoy today. Let's be much energetic today. I'm already so enthusiastic about all of this stuff. Yeah. Anyway, guys. Anyway, now let me remind you guys something. You guys know the tragic earthquake in Thailand just a day ago. So please, those fans who are going there, right, and in the fan meet, please make sure, please, please, it's my heartily request to you guys, make sure to have some safety measures, right? And I actually saw every little details of the venue and everything. They actually have uh, two separate entries and exits, if I'm not wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong. They are also taking some sort of safety measures, but yet, guys, make sure to take make sure to stay safe, make sure to take some, what should I say, precautions, yeah, and safety measure, please. It's my hearty request to you guys. And above all that, make sure to enjoy, guys. Let's enjoy today, all right? Yeah. So yeah, hopefully this video was kind of helpful to you guys. Yeah, so yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hopefully, I'll see you guys soon, very, very soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Yeah, keep an eye on the channel for regular update, of course. Don't forget it. Bye.